for the night, just down at Lamlash. I might do a bit of fishing up there in the morning. I might stay here tonight, but there's no Wi-Fi here, which is a bit of a pain in the arse, because it's such a stunning bloody camp. Right, so I might stay here. I'm on the point just opposite Ollie Island, so I might do some fishing in the morning. I might stay here tonight, I don't know. But anyway, while I was here, I met a lovely Gainer. Oh, what a gorgeous young lady she is. She had a photo with me, which was lovely. I didn't do a photo, so Gainer, if you've got that photo, can you mail it to me or Facebook message or send it to me if you can? That'd be nice. It'd be nice to have a photo with you. And she's lovely, a lovely Scottish lass. I think she's down on the site somewhere tonight. She's going out on the booze tonight, so she's going to have a few pops tonight, which is nice. So lovely to meet you, Gainer, and hopefully I'll meet you again before we leave the island. What a lovely lady. Right, so I'll settle here for the night. Got my solas out, and might do a bit of fishing. Just might try a bit of fishing. Got to catch a fish before we leave the bloody island. I've only fished 3 times, but we haven't had a bite yet. We've got to catch a fish. Up there off those rocks, I think is a good place. We'll have a look. I've just heard some calls from the oyster catchers now. The oyster catchers, they've been an ever-present with me on all my adventures on the island. Loads of oyster catchers on Arran. And it's that time of year now where they're having the babies. And I've just heard some alarm calls which are different to the normal sounds they make. Now I know those alarm calls they're making is because they have babies. And I'm going to try and get one on film for you, show you what a chick is. These chicks are only a day or so old, if I can find them again. They don't go far. Basically the oyster catchers will sit on a rock, the male or female, and the little babies will just sit hiding in the stones on the shore. So they're hard to spot, but I've got my SLR camera with me as well. So we'll try and find them for you guys. Now I know I can hear one down here somewhere. They're hard to see in the rocks. Very hard to see. Now as soon as I get close to them, they will start their alarm call. You'll probably hear it. I hope you can hear with this mic. I've got my mic sorted. I've got a new adapter, so that first adapter I got was probably a rip-off. It certainly ripped me off bloody 20 quid. There you go. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that call? That's the oyster catchers protecting. That's a different call to their usual call. What they're doing there is protecting their young. Now I know there's a couple of birds down here. I think this may be a pair. I'm trying to find, just spin you around. They're just down there. Get a bit closer, see if I can find those chicks. I can see one of the chicks. How many chicks I got? I can only see one chick. Oh, 2 chicks. 3 chicks. Right, let's have a look. Lovely little things they are. Right, there's one of the pair. The other one of the pairs up there. And in between them, there's 1, 2, 3 chicks. Try and get a bit closer for you. I'll get my SLR camera on in a minute so you can see him closer. There's one there. There's another one there, just by the mother. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 little chicks. Oh. That one looks like the first. Here we go. Baby oyster catchers, no more than a few days old. There's one there. There's a bigger one there. Is that a bigger one? Do they come out in stages? Maybe that one hatch first, because that looks like that one there looks like the grunt of the litter, the runt of the litter. Yeah, there's definitely 3. Hear the noise they're making? Here's one by its mummy. Lovely. Right, I'll get my SLR camera running, get you a bit closer. Lovely. Baby oyster catchers. That time of year. Oh, there you go. There's a treat, wasn't it? Baby oyster catchers. We catch everything on country. Things I do for you guys, eh? We got all the beautiful nature of the island over the last 6 months. Caught just about every single thing you can see on country, which is amazing. Lovely. Right, we'll get back to the van, get back to Christine. Have a nice cup of tea, nice cup of Yorkshire. It's getting late afternoon now. The tide's dropping. I was going fishing today. I might go tomorrow because the tide's dropping now. But it's deep water up there, so it doesn't matter whether the tide's up or down. You're in deep water up there, so I might still have a go this afternoon. I don't know yet. But love to see the oyster catchers down there. Beautiful, the little babies, eh? Cute. Catch you later.
Excellent free kick then, and there will be 3 added minutes at the end of this first half.
Right guys, let's go fishing. I know, a nice mark up there, some deep water. It's the only deep water on the island. I've tried two, three times, never had a bite, but this is my last chance now. We can't leave the island without catching a fish. I've got pretty good hopes that I'll get something up there. It's a bit early yet in the year, so maybe small fish, school fish, but let's go and find that deep water up there. Coming? Come on. You know, the wildlife on Arran is amazing. I've got birds of all different kinds, and we've even got a seal there, look. A big fat seal comes to say hello. Oh, never known so much wildlife on this island. It is amazing, look. Everywhere, birds everywhere of all types. Right, we'll crack on to that point up there, guys. Try and catch us a fish. Lovely. Well, that's a big old seal, that is. That's a grey seal, that is. Massive head on it. You can always tell the grey seals have got heads like Labradors, and the commons got heads like cats. Right, not far to go up here. Oh, I've only got a day and a half left on the island, so this is my last chance to catch a fish. Everywhere else I've been in the UK, we've caught fish. Skye, everywhere else in the UK that I've been, I've caught fish. My Skye keeps tangling me up. I tell you what. Oh, honestly, trying to vlog with a dog on your own, this is, you know, if you're a couple, it's not too bad, but it is a pain. But I love her. Right, let's crack on. Oh, what a result by England, eh? Blimey, alright. I don't know whether you see this video before or after the fact or whatever, but we're through to the, and it's amazing all the slaggings I've been getting on Facebook and all the bloody football pundits slagging England off every single game of this tournament. And we've won the group. We won the group, easily won the group, and we've got through. And yet still they get slagged. Okay, they're not on fire, they're not really going, but we're finding a way to get through. You know, if it's something like Germany or France doing the same thing, all the pundits would be saying, oh, that's the signs of a brilliant team not playing well, yet they find a way. They never say that about England, they just say we're crap. And all the English people as well moaning how crap England are. God's sakes. We won our group, we won the group rounds. We got through the next round and people are still moaning. Dear oh dear. I know it's not pretty, but we're finding a way. Right, stop going on about football, don't you, about football, you guys. Right, let's crack on. There's a few more seals here. Quite a few seals down here today. Right, catch you later. Wow, all of this is this walk. I came up here about 3 months ago. It's all overgrown now. We're nearly at the deep water marks. They're off the end of this point here by the deer fence, I think. This Skye. It's not a bad evening this evening. It's gone a bit dull now, but the sun has been out today a little bit. But it's a bit cool. The winds are a bit cool. But, we're nearly there. I'll catch up when I'm set up and by the rocks, guys. Hopefully. Lovely. Right, guys. I've clambered down these rocks here. It's a bit of a clamber down. I've tied Skye up there against the fence. We've come from up there. And a bit of deep water here. We'll give this a go. It's quite cold actually. It's quite chilly. It's nearly the end of the day anyway. I think it's gone past 7 o'clock at night now. But anyway, I've just got my basic spinning rod and my spinning reel, and I've tied some feathers up. We've got about 5 feathers there in the line with a weight on the end. And I'll climb down there and we'll give it a go. See what happens. Lovely. Clouds look dark up there. There's rain on the way. Yep. Well, here we go. I've got my first fish. It's a pollock. Pop him in there water for a minute. It's really hard keeping your balance. It's making my back ache. You can't get comfortable. That rain looks bad coming in. Over goat fell, just behind me. That's moving in fast. There's rain on the way. It's a pollock. One last cast. Storm clouds coming. And my back is killing me. Oh, that'll do. below me. All that'll do, guys. Storm clouds coming in there over Goat Fell. I don't want to get caught in the rain. Plus my back's hurting me. Oh, I think it was that long walk the other day up Glenisdale. But anyway, the dog's up there, she's looking at me. That'll do. We've got our fish on the Isle of Arran. That'll do. Lovely jubbly. We don't blank on the island. Catch you later, folks. Glad you enjoyed that one. A little bit of sea fishing. Lovely jubbly. I'm sure there's a lot more fish here. Perhaps the tide's a bit low at the moment as well. There's not much water out there. Anyway, we'll crack on. Whoa! It's starting to get a lot cooler as well now. But anyway, we've got the fish, that's all that counts. I got my fish. I did lose one as well, and I had another one on that came off. But I think they're all just small schoolies this time of year. Plus the tide's not full as well. Need a full tide really to get really deep water. That brings them into the shore. But anyway, we'll give it a go. We've caught a fish. Lovely jubbly. We'll get back to Christine and we'll wrap this one up. You ready to go, Skye? I'm just going to have 5 minutes here watching the sunset behind the storm clouds up there. Lovely. Catch you later. This Skye, baby. We'll climb back out of here. Here's Goat Fell. That's the storm clouds coming, guys. That's a bit bleak. That's coming over now. And we've been down there, clambering down the rocks. Lovely jubbly. Right, we'll get back to Christine. Lovely. I'm just going to have a wee sit down here for 5 minutes, catch my breath.